Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Windows Media Player error codes and issues. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is make your way over to settings. From settings, go over to system, and then from system what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way down until you see optional features, and it should be underneath AI components. However, once you click on optional features, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and search up Windows Media Player. Now once you see Windows Media Player, what you want to do is you want to simply hit remove. Now once you hit remove and it's fully removed, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on view features, add an optional feature. Of course, do this once it has fully been removed and it will say removed. Go ahead and hit view features, and then go ahead and just type in Windows Media Player Legacy app, and then hit next, and then go ahead and add it. And then now once that has been added, you guys are good to go. Now that is basically it. You can go ahead and restart your PC as well once you're done with that. And yeah, that should basically be it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.